October 20 Friday market open. It's a gap down opening. Previous day sell call generated at 2:30, 43,909. That is our entry point line. And yesterday closed at first target range. And today it's a gap down opening. And this buy call momentum followed up to today 12:25. At 12:26, a new call buy call generated, green color candle open. Like this, automatically it will generate calls like a signal. Today buy call came at 43,770 and first target is 43,879. 100 point target, more than a 100 point target. Daily in live market, it will give calls automatically and the calls will look like a signal, like a green signal, red signal. According to the market trend, if it's a bullish trend, buy trend, green color candle will come. If it's a downtrend means red color candle will come. Whenever market trend changes, when new trend came, a new candle color and a new call will be generated. It's an automatic process. How you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch this chart, get the call and you can place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading, both are possible for this chart. After 115, a sudden gap up. During that momentum from a single candle, it break out the first target range. Like this today call generated and break out the first target and market was in continuous bullish momentum and move all the way up to the 43,900. 43,700 call option. It's a direct call option chart. In this chart at 311 buy call generated and market breakout 390 range during that first candle and next candle it breakout 400 range also. Like this you can check in option chart also. In this chart it's like a script, so you can change whatever script like crude oil, silver and you will get the signals for it. If you want to subscribe for this chart, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the details. Thank you.